All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I am shooting this video with the front camera, man, because the front camera on this thing is absolutely great. It's actually getting pretty dark outside, and I'll show you some footage with the rear camera in just a second. But I wanted to go ahead and showcase the phone, let you see the front camera. The front camera is amazing. So in this video, this footage, a lot of this was collected over several days. So just be mindful of that. You'll see me in different clothes and things like that, and you'll see different cars. But I've been shooting content with the iPhone Air, front and rear, and I want to show it to you in this video. I'm gonna put everything together, so I hope you enjoy this content. Just photos and videos and everything on the front and rear camera is actually pretty good. Let's take a look at it. What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I'm out here. This is the front camera of the iPhone Air, and I'm using that format where I'm not even twisting the phone. This is actually being recorded with the phone still held in the position that most people record at. Got AirPods in, but yeah, this is a test of the front camera. It's amazing quality, by the way. So this is another day. I'm in the Jeep. I'll follow up on my Jeep at some point. It's been, I don't know how many, almost a year or something like that, 8 months, 9 months, I'm not sure. Got about 8,000 miles on this thing. Rolling is still doing good. Love the Jeep. I'm getting ready to take a 2,000 mile road trip too in this thing, so it's gonna be really good. But I wanted to showcase the phone. This is what I'm showcasing, the phone. Yes. Yes. Whoa, yeah. I am using an external microphone, just so you know. When I do videos on the cameras, if I'm indoors, then yeah, I'll go ahead and use I won't use a mic sometimes, but it's so nice out here. And I already know the phone does well with the mics or whatever, but I want to go ahead and show you just with an external microphone paired with this video, give you some different views here. You can see the colors, the way the sky is. Wow, that's beautiful. You can see the birds. Everything is good. These cameras are absolutely stunning. Yep. Absolutely great. I like the front camera the best though. I know the rear camera is the more powerful camera, but the front camera has center stage and it has that new 18 megapixel setup that they got, and you can shoot without turning the phone. It's absolutely incredible. Now, one thing about this phone, it is missing portrait video. You can do portrait photos and things like that, but it is missing portrait video. So that is definitely a mark off as far as it is for me. I have to have portrait video, and this phone does not have it, which is a super bummer. It's really, I hate that it doesn't have portrait video. But the video itself, this is a very low, you see those lights back there? It's actually getting kind of dark outside, and you can see how this front camera is handling this. Pretty good, right? Now, yes, these flowers are real. They smell amazing too, but this is just a quick sample here in the dining area. They're dying off a little bit, but just looking at the rear camera. Wow, look at that. Beautiful footage. I'm just going to close out here. The footage on these cameras, Apple has done a great job with the iPhone Air. I can imagine only how good the Pro models are. I mean, it's gonna be even better on the Pro models, I would think, because they have a different sensor size. But man, look at just how beautiful these cameras are. They do very well. Now, one thing I will say, some of you guys are concerned about it not having a telephoto, not having a ultra wide. I'm in agreement. It would have been very nice to have an ultra wide. Remember, I upgraded my headlights. Whew. It would have been very nice for them to just put an ultra wide on here. It should have had it, man. It should have had it. But unfortunately, it does not. And that's just what it is. What I'm gonna do now is I've been using the front camera for all the video. I'm gonna flip this around and use the rear camera on me. So this is the rear camera footage right here, shooting me. I haven't shot any people or anything with the rear camera, or including myself. I've only been doing the front camera because it's so good. But here's the rear camera, man. How's this rear camera look compared to the front camera? Yeah, how's it look? I think it's probably gonna look pretty good, right? All right. Well, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed a quick video, all the photos, all the samples. And again, I took video in the bright daylight, and this video is it's like 8 o'clock at night. I'm recording this video, yeah, it's almost 8 o'clock at night, and all the lights are on the building. I know it doesn't look like on video, but the phone is doing a good job of displaying the sky and everything, but it actually is getting dark out here, folks. Most phones can do this anyway, but this is just the way the iPhone does it with their footage and their quality. And the colors are here and are getting more and more accurate with an iPhone. But most phones are good outdoors anyway, but this phone is actually pretty good. How you like the video cameras on the iPhone Air? I can't wait to see what the next version of this phone brings.